Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Grimace mixed with the Colossal Titan from Attack on Titan. These are going to be simple, easy. We're going to go through it together. It's going to be a really fun video, so let's jump right in. Okay, so let's go into this mixture of Grimace and, Attack on Titan, Colossal Titan. Okay, so we're going to start with the curve of the head. I'm thinking of Grimace's overall shape, all right? Grimace is a big triangle for the most part, pulling down on the side, and then pulling down on the other side. So far, a very Grimace-oriented head shape and sides of his body. All right. And kind of staying with his form. And so one thing I want you to do is, if you have any other mixtures that you want to, let me know about and I'll do a lesson on, please let me know. There are two characters that you want to see merge into one. Let me know in the comments. Gonna go right here and curve, kind of making Grimace look a bit angry. I'm doing Grimace's eyes right here, so a large curve and a large curve right here along this side. It looks like two, like, I don't know, like you cut into tennis balls. That's kind of the way I see it. Curving in for a bit of an angry, stern look. Pulling up and line in there. Gonna go over here on this side, and I'm thinking of making this darker right here, so you kind of see the pits of the eyes to make them look a little bit deeper set into his eye socket. It's kind of hard to do that with Grimace because his eyes are round, right? They're made to be peachy, and curve up over here for the cleft and curve over here. That's the top of Grimace's lip. Limus, that's funny. Line over here in the top and left-hand corner. And, he's got that stern look so far. We're getting it right. Maybe darken it up a little bit more. I love Attack on Titan, by the way, and I love Grimace for the most part. So we had to see these guys combine. Dot over here for the eye. I want him to have a creepy look, right? That's kind of what I want. I want it to have like a scary look, even though he's Grimace and he's round and he's huggable and all that stuff. So let's draw a box over here on the left and on the right. Those are going to represent the muscles on the side of the head from the from the Colossal Titan. We're going to draw some lines over here because they're sheaths of muscle. So they're going to have lines in them like that. Line back and forth here and here. So far, so good. Kind of taking a look at him now, and I'm like, okay, what else can I do with him? And I'm thinking, I think the perfect thing would be go into the mouth. Downward. And downward. He's going to have his mouth open. And he's going to be gritting his teeth. This is more like the Attack on the Colossal Titan's mouth. Kind of. He's kind of grimacing if you look at the Colossal Titan's shape. It's almost always grimacing. Curve right here for the teeth. He's got pretty elongated teeth on the side. And he has a long row of teeth, pretty much. Up here. So, and we're kind of obviously putting the lines between the teeth so you can see them. And I'm drawing the gums in now, right? So we're really putting a lot of detail in, especially for someone like Grimace. A lot of detail right here. So where do the top of his teeth meet? Right, the gum line. Curving in. Right here, same thing. Look at the bottom row as well. He already looks creepy, am I right? If you think he looks creepy, hit that like. Hit that like, everybody. All right. Dang, he looks creepy. I think he looks creepy. Or tell me otherwise if you think otherwise. Line over here for underneath the lip. All right. Pulling a line over here because we're going to open up the sides of his face, right? Because that's what's showing in the Attack Titan. The Colossal Titan. So a square over here and a square over here on the other cheek. And you're going to be showing through the kind of stuff going on the inside, which is like you see the rest of his teeth lining up. Don't forget, it's a lot of free good stuff in the description. A lot of free goodies, so take a look at that, and also some playlists that you're going to love. You want to keep practicing and drawing every day, or go wild and draw like a bunch of videos at once, or one day. Okay, we're going to pull lines here to make them look more angry, because I really want to emphasize that that anger sort of thing, because that's the way I think of the Colossal Titan. Alrighty. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Up over here. And right here we're drawing in the hand. It's got that grimace arm. Line over here, and this is also the Colossal Titan's kind of design. He has kind of like a line on his wrist there for showing, I guess, tendon or something. Line over here in the front, and we're gonna throw in that drink in his hand. We gotta throw in the shake. I'm sorry. I know you're rolling your eyes and you're like, why are we gonna throw in the shake? But we gotta do that. Square and square, basically. These elongated squares, that's pretty much all they are. Wiggly lines for the design on the cup. Line in. And line down here. All right. I'm gonna go over here. And I wanna kind of put in the area right here for kind of the neck and shoulder area. More muscle opening up there. It's really hard to, excuse me, it's hard to merge these characters because they're, okay, line over here for the steam, and that is let out by the Colossal Titan. And we're gonna throw some clouds over here. Some soft, billowy clouds. That is all Colossal Titan stuff right here. Line here. Good stuff. Alrighty. Fill out some darkness here. That's just going to cause a little bit of cast shadow on his gums from his lip. Let's throw some skin opening up over here around the eyes to make him look yet even grosser. Although, I don't know what you think of this character. Do you think he's gross? Do you think he's like, oh, that's adorable? You know, I don't know. Line up, line up, line up. Kind of, again, you know, forming the illusion of the musculature underneath. If you guys want to learn everything about anatomy, don't forget to check out the Skillshare lessons in the description. You can learn everything you need to know about anatomy, including the stuff I'm drawing here, I think. But go take a look at that. Put in a couple more darks because I want to make it, give it a little bit more gravitas. Throwing in line right here into the gum area. And all right, we're gaining some steam now here. Just like he has steam coming out of the side of his head. Get it? I hope you do. That deserves a like, right? Come on. All right. All right, what can we add here? Line over here on the, you know, just kind of showing the musculature on the arm because that stuff's almost entirely exposed. And maybe a line over here for the shoulder. And I think it needs something. I believe we need to throw in, we're probably going to have to throw in a wall here. Just to kind of show, you know, like he's always looking over that wall. So we're going to throw a line across the bottom over here for the wall. Line over here for some clouds to show that he's like really big, to show some scale. And there you go, line over here to kind of show the other portions of the wall. I want you to stick around and do more with me. Stick around, do one more video with me. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.